Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Luis Urbieta, your number one YouTuber. If this is your first time tuning into my channel, my name is Luis Urbieta from Luis el Apóstol Feliz. And today I'm going to be doing a special review on this amazing Gillette set. Now, I got this very affordable at my local Target, and gonna show you guys what you get. Now, I know it's something different. I know it's something out of the norm. Normally, I do diecast reviews and unboxings, but since there was nothing new in Target when it comes to diecast, I decided to do a review on something else. So this is the Gillette. This is the Gillette Fusion 5 Pro Slide. Look at that. Look at that, YouTube. Woo. You do have your Facebook. You do have your social media. Y'all can pause on that. Here's the other side. What you get. Ooh. Look at that. Gillette. The best man can do. You guys can pause on that if you guys wish. Here's the other side. Here's the other side. There's the other side. Here's the other side. There's the other side. Comes with two extra blades should you need them. So here's the bottom, your barcodes, your assortment codes. Here's the top. Really nothing. So, we're gonna unbox it. Hold on, YouTube. Son of a fulanito. Oh. Ooh. Oh, snap. Son of a fulanito. So, I don't know how this one goes. So. So here's the box. So here's what comes in it. So you do have your. So you do have your shaver. Not gonna turn it on in the essence of time, but look at this. Woo! Here you guys have it. Here you guys have it. Says Gillette all the way through. Son of a fulanito. So, and those are the blades. Those are the blades that come with it. So, looks super good. This is a, honestly, this is a feast for my eyes. This is a, wow. So, there you guys have extra blades. There's my electric shaver. Now that I have an electric toothbrush, a rechargeable toothbrush, and an electric razor. I'm not gonna unbox this. I'm not gonna crack this open, guys, in the essence of time. But you guys can pause on that. You guys can pause on that if you guys wish. It has 6. I don't know how many does it have, but y'all can pause on that if you guys wish. So, loving it, loving it, loving it. So, but man, look at this. Look at this blade. Woo. You would have to, oh. So you would have to, oof. Other fulanas. So there you guys go. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoy this video. I definitely recommend y'all getting these this amazing electric shaver. You know, since I'm like, you know what? It's 2026. The fulano is using manual shavers. Manual disposable razors. The fulano with it. But this is worth the money. So for y'all men out there, this is for you. You know, I've been doing a lot of men's fashion. I've been doing a lot of shoes, boot reviews, die-cast reviews. Now, it's time to step it up. So, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that y'all never miss any of my future content. Whew. Thank you, Lord. This is a dandy. So, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys comment, like, share, and subscribe. Drop down your comment. Let me know what y'all think about this dandy of a electric shaver. And would y'all buy this over a manual shaver? Thank you guys for watching. Catch y'all next time. Luis el Apóstol Feliz. Happy Saturday night. Happy week for all my Seventh-day Adventists. Peace.